Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make Grouper Jeerem-Meerem. In Konkani, it is called Gobro. This fish has a mild, clean, and slightly sweet taste. Its flesh is firm, thick, and flaky. Absorbs spices and masala very well, and taste is very good. So let's get started. I've taken 1 kg of grouper. Apply salt and leave it on the side for at least 20 minutes. Now let's start with the masala. In a blender jar, add 1 pot of garlic, tamarind, a small size of a lemon to give a tangy flavor, ginger 1 inch, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 1 inch, half a tablespoon of whole cumin, peppercorn at least 30, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and sufficient amount of water in order to make a fine paste. Now let's start with the cooking process. I've taken 2 medium sized onion, chopped them finely. This fish has multiple health benefits, which is high quality protein, low in fat and calories, good for bones, and much more. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Now I've taken 1 tomato, remove the seeds and chop finely as shown and leave it on the side. I personally love this fish very much, and this was a gift from one of my friends from Vasco. So thought of sharing this recipe with you all. Now take 4 fresh green chillies, cut them in half or you can slit them straight. You all can adjust. If you want more spicy, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less chilies as per your spiciness. Now in a vessel, add oil. In order to saute onion, add onion and saute well till it becomes slightly brown in color. Keep the flame on medium and stir it continuously so it doesn't get burn on one side. Now it's time to add tomato. Tomato you need to saute it for at least 2 minutes. Now add green chili and saute well for at least half a minute. Add masala and saute it for at least 1 minute on a medium flame. Pass water to the jar and check the gravy. Check the consistency. Now add half a teaspoon of sugar and salt for the gravy. Now as you all have seen, I have applied fish salt already, so little much is good enough. Now once it start to simmer, add fish one by one. Let it immerse in the gravy, this fish. Check how it is and cover it and let it cook. Guys, check this out. This fish is almost done. This fish tastes well when you cook it right. Check my video properly, step by step. You have to watch without skipping it and you can get this right. Check how lovely it is. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and God bless you all. Thank you very much. And do let me know in the comment section how it tastes.